This is a brand new 2011 Ford Ranger. Its top features include air conditioning, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Salinas Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1100 Auto Center Circle in Salinas.